Some time ago, somebody wrote me if I could give some insight or some advice how to increase the sale of his art. And I asked him, where can I find it? Do you have a store? Do you have a set up shop? Or where can I find your art? And he said, well, I've just created art. I don't have any site or anything. And I say, well, how can you expect people to find your work if you don't have nothing to show? Like, I think in this time we really need to work on anything like it's something professional we're building. Art is just a part of your creative expression. The way you deliver it is another part of it, and then the way you market it is another part of your creative expression. If you're creative and an artist, you will also find creative ways to show your art to the world and to promote it. And this is the hustle part of it, because you recognize, well, I need to know what I don't know. I need to recognize what I don't know so I can learn it. I need to figure out what I need to learn, where I need to expand my skills, my knowledge, and then I need to work on it and study it hard. And if you don't have money to invest into someone who can build your online store or whatever it is, even better, because you can learn for yourself how to build it up. So one day, most probably, you will also be able to help someone else to do the same or to go through the same processes you're going through. So do as much as you can and never wait things to change. Never wait things to change, but really work hard on changing things, my friend. Much love.